How to evacuate diverse guests during hotel fire safety training. Have you ever thought about how to safely evacuate a diverse group of guests during a fire? It's a critical aspect of fire safety training that ensures everyone's well-being. Let's break down the essential steps to make this process smooth and effective. First, start with solid planning. Create a detailed evacuation plan that includes clear and well-lit emergency exits. Make sure there are designated assembly points and multiple escape routes to avoid crowding. This will help everyone exit the building safely and efficiently. Next, train your staff thoroughly on their roles during a fire. They need to know the evacuation procedures inside and out. It's important that they understand how to assist guests who may need extra help, such as those with mobility issues or language barriers. Regular fire drills are also key. Conduct drills that simulate various scenarios. This includes evacuating guests with disabilities, those who have hearing or vision difficulties, and guests who speak different languages. Practicing these scenarios will prepare your team for real-life situations. Communication is vital during an evacuation. Use multiple methods to convey information. Clear verbal announcements through loudspeakers, visual signals, and written instructions in several languages can help everyone understand what to do. Equip your staff with tools like radios or mobile devices. This will allow them to coordinate evacuation efforts and keep emergency responders informed about the situation. Make sure announcements are calm and clear, providing specific instructions to prevent panic among guests. For guests who may require additional assistance, identify them in advance. This includes elderly guests, families with young children, or those using wheelchairs. Assign trained staff members to support these individuals during the evacuation. Consider using evacuation aids, such as evacuation chairs or stretchers, if necessary. Ensure that your staff is trained in how to use these tools effectively. Establishing buddy systems can also help guests who may be unfamiliar with the building or emergency procedures. Recognize that cultural differences can affect how guests respond to emergencies. Tailor your communication to meet these needs. Providing multilingual signage and instructions throughout the hotel can guide guests effectively. Lastly, maintain open communication between evacuation teams, hotel management, and emergency services. This will help adapt to changing conditions during an incident. After drills or real evacuations, gather feedback from staff and guests. This will help identify areas for improvement and refine your training and procedures. By integrating these practical steps into your fire safety training, you can manage the evacuation of diverse guests effectively. This not only ensures safety but also maintains a high standard of guest service during emergencies.